This is how to add a product carousel to any product page in Shopify. This is the carousel here, and as you can see, we can scroll through the images. Also, there's this auto scroll feature, which is pretty cool, which just automatically scrolls through each one of the images every second or so. Yep. And also we can do really basic adjustments such as changing the icon color and dot color, and we can even hide the arrows or the icons. Okay, first things first, how do we do this? Well, what you should know is how to get to your product page. And so if you're starting on the home page, you go online store, themes, and then over here, you'll want to hit customize either on a backup theme or live theme, and then select your product template. After you have completed that, you'll want to go over to the App Store and get this app called Flexi Theme Blocks. It's $5 a month with a 14-day free trial. After that's completed, inside of your product page, you'll want to go Add Block and then scroll down to your app blocks until you see Flexi Theme Blocks. In the block that you'll be looking for is called Image Carousel. You'll have to add this to your product info, or it'll be called product section, but actually you can even add it as its own section too. Here, apps, and then image carousel if you want it to go over the whole section. For this demo, I'm just showing you below the product form. Then what you'll want to do is make sure you edit all your images so that they're the same aspect ratio so that the form or the carousel doesn't scale up or down. And also you'll need to include the mobile version of the images for mobile as well, because as you see here, oh, it actually did show. Let's see if we refresh if it'll show again. Oh, okay. Well, it'll pull in the image for mobile as well too. But if you want a different image for mobile, one that's optimized for mobile, you can drag that into here. Anyways, that is how to add a carousel to your product page in Shopify.